exercise, we have seen single angle 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, sine A, cos A. Here, what is the compound angle is? It is a combination of two, A plus B, or A minus B, or A plus B minus C, or A plus B minus C. So, these angles are called the compound angles, right? So, we have concluded some of the formulae for compound angles. The formulas are like this. Now, write down the formulae. Formulae for compound angles. First formula is sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Right? How to remember this formula? Here is sign. If it is positive, here also positive. Inner sign is positive, outer is positive. Inner sign is negative, outer is negative. For sign, it remains same. Whereas for cos, it is same. If it is positive, means outer sign will be negative. If it is negative, means outer sign will be positive. Is it clear? Then, next is tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot of A minus B. Cot of A minus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Is it clear? Tan of A plus B is equal to here positive means positive, negative. Again, tan means negative and denominator positive. Whereas in cot it will be changed. Cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, and cot of A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Then sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B या cos square B minus cos square A. Cos of A plus B to cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. Or one more formula is there, tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B is equal to tan square A minus tan square A minus tan square B divided by 1 minus tan square A tan square B by 1 minus tan square A into tan square B. Is it clear? So, these are the formulas of compound angle. With the help of this, inshallah, we will start the next exercise based on the compound angle. Apart from this, if you come across other formulas, simultaneously, while solving the problem, I will elucidate those formulas. Okay? Next exercise, that is exercise of your textbook, Telugu Academy. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. First one, these are 2 mark questions. Cos 100, cos 40 plus sin 100, cos 100, cos 40 plus sin 100, sin 40. Now, if I compare the given question with my standard formula, just now I have given you. So, this is related to which formula? Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Yes, this is related to which formula? Cos of A minus B. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Is it correct? So, cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. It is related to this formula, cos of A minus B. Therefore, on comparing with the formula, we have cos of A minus B is equal to cos of A. A is 100, B is 40. 100 minus 40 is equal to cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Therefore, the answer is 1 by 2. Is it clear? Trigonometry is a chapter, very easy chapter. You can score full marks unless and until you are perfect in the formulas. If you remember the formula perfectly, then you may score 100% marks, 75 out of 75. Okay. Write down the next question. Cot 55, cot 35. Minus 1 by cot 55 plus cot 35. Again, it is in the form of cot of A plus B. Cot of A plus B is equal to cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Is it clear? It is related to cot of A plus B, cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Therefore, on comparing with the formula, we have cot of A plus B. What is A? 55. What is B? 35. So, cot of A plus B. Right? Cot 55 plus cot 35 is equal to cot 90. Cot 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Question is 5 by 4 plus theta into tan of 5 by 4 minus theta. It is the form of tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B. So, this can be written as, what is the formula? Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, right? Tan of A minus B is tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is it clear? Now, I am using the same application. Tan of A plus B, tan A 45 tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B into tan of A minus B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B is equal to tan 45, 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 45, 1 minus tan theta into tan 45, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta cancel. 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta cancel. So ultimately, I may get the answer as 1. Therefore, this is my answer. Express root 3 cos 25 plus sin 25 by 2. Express root 3 into cos 25 plus sin 25 divided by 2 as a sine of an angle, as a sine of an angle. This question also asked in the previous examination in the year June 2019. That is supplementary. Root 3 cos 25. Now, what is asking? Convert this or express this in terms of an angle. Okay. Now, what I am doing, this can be written as root 3 cos 25 plus sin 25 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 cos 25, 1 by 2 sin 25. I have to pick the value of 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 in such a way that it is a common angle. Sin 60 or sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? Sin 60 into cos 25, sin A cos B cos 60, 1 by 2 sin 25. Can I write like this? What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Isn't it? Now, the purpose of writing this is in the form because it comes into the form of sin of A plus B. What is sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin A. Because he asked the value in terms of sin. SIGN, sin of an angle means sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A plus B, 60 plus 25 is equal to sin 85. So, the answer is sin 85 degrees. Now, next question is, what is the value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 tan 40? Right? Now, what I am doing, suppose I consider 60 is equal to 20 plus 40. Can I write like this? 60 is equal to 20 plus 40. Apply tan on both sides. Tan 60 is equal to tan of 20 plus 40. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 20 plus 40, it is the form of tan of A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Is it clear? It is the form of tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan B. Cross multiply. So, root 3 into 1 minus tan 20 into tan 40 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 40. On multiplying this is nothing but root 3 minus root 3 into tan 20 tan 40 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 40. If I transfer this to the right hand side, it gives me root 3 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3, tan 20, tan 40. Is it clear? Therefore, what is asking? The value of tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 and 40 is 3. Therefore, tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 tan 40 is equal to, the answer is root 3. Is it clear? So this is also very important and conceptual question. This may ask in the MCET exams also. Find the value of tan 56 minus tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 tan 11. Right? Here also, what I am doing, consider 45 equal to, can we write like, can we write like this, 45 equal to 56 minus 11. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. Now, again, apply tan on both sides. So, tan 45 equal to tan of 56 minus 1. Tan 45 is 1. It is the form of tan of A minus B. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is it correct? Tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. It is the form of tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Cross multiply. This is 1 plus tan 56 tan 11 is equal to tan 56 minus tan 11. Or if I shift to that side, this gives me 1 is equal to tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 tan 11. Therefore, what is my result? Tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 tan 11 is equal to 1. Minus sin square 82 and half minus sin square 22 and half degree. This is also very important question. Convert this mixed fraction into the fraction 82 to 2 to the 4 to the 16, right? 2 to the 4 to the 164 plus 1, 165. So, which gives me sin square 165 by 2 minus sin square 44, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 44 plus 1, 45 by 2. It is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Just now you get the formula. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B equal to sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Therefore, it is the form of sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So, which is gives me sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B, which gives me 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 11, 2 10 by 2 into 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 4 2, or which gives me 2 1 the 2 0, 2 5 the 10, 105 into sin 60. Now, I have to calculate the value of sin 105. Sin 105. is equal to sin 90 plus 15. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sin become cos. Cos 15. Cos 15 is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 15. You have to remember, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Therefore, this is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, multiply this. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 1 is 3. 2 2 is 4. 4 root 2. Cos 50 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. You can verify, simplify, and you can verify the answer. Okay. So, these are value of root 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Next topic is, this is the definition of extreme values of trigonometric function. What is the definition? If a comma b comma c belongs to R such that a square plus b square is not equal to 0, then the maximum and minimum value of the function a sin x plus b cos x plus c is, maximum value is c plus root a square plus b square, and the minimum value is c minus root a square plus b square. And range is equal to minimum value comma maximum value, that is c minus root a square plus b square comma c plus root a square plus b square. Based on this also we may have some questions. The question is like this. Write down. Find the maximum and minimum value of, find the maximum and minimum value of 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. This question was asked in May 2016 and 2018 in our examination. Okay. If I compare the given question with the standard form, what is my standard form? It is the form of a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Here, on comparing with the standard form, a sin x, what is a? 4. B is equal to 3. C is equal to 0. Therefore, maximum value is equal to c plus root a square plus b square. What is c? 0. Root of a square plus b square, that is 16 plus 9 is equal to 0 plus 25, which is usually 5. And minimum value is equal to c minus root a square plus b square, which gives me 0 minus 16 plus 9 is equal to 0 minus 25 is equal to minus 5. Is it clear? So, this is also important question. Next is, seven cos x minus 24 sin x. 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Same maximum and range of the function. This was asked in May 2017 examination. So, again, on comparing with the standard form, A, what is A? A sin x plus b cos x. Here, A is equal to minus 24, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 5. Therefore, maximum value is equal to C plus root of A square plus B square. What is C? 5. Plus A square plus B square. 24 square is 576. 7 square is 49. 5 plus 625. 5. 625 is equal to 25 is equal to 30. And minimum value is equal to c minus root of a square plus b square is equal to 5 minus root of 625 is equal to 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20. Therefore, range is equal to minus 20 comma 30. If this is 4 marks question, 0 is less than a less than b is less than pi by 4 and sin of a plus b is equal to 24 by 25 and cos of a minus b is equal to 4 by 5. Find the value of tan 2a. This was asked in March 2015 examination. Guys, given sin of a plus b is equal to 24 by 25, cos of a minus b is equal to 4 by 5. We have to find the value of tan 2a. Solution. Suppose tan 2a can be written as tan of a plus b plus b minus b. Can we write like this? 2a can be written as a plus b plus a minus b plus b cancel. A plus a is equal to 2a. So this I consider as alpha, this I consider as beta. So it is in the form of a plus b or alpha plus beta. So it gives me tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now, with the help of the given values sin of a plus b and cos of a minus b, I have to calculate the values of tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. Is it clear? Now, I am doing the same thing, that is draw this triangle. This is nothing but my a plus b and this is nothing but my sin theta 24, 25. So this side will be 5. Cos theta 4, 5. This side will be 3. This side will be 3. Right? Sin alpha plus beta by sin alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Then prove that a tan beta is equal to b tan alpha. So here I am giving an hint. You have to use the technique of component and dividend. What is component and dividend means? If a by b is equal to c by d is a ratio, then you have to use as a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. If you use this formula, then you can get the answer. You feed this as a, this is b, this is c, this is d. Get it to the numerator, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Using the formula of sin c plus sin d by sin c minus sin d, or you can use sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b also. On simplifying, you may get the answer. Okay. Next question is, in a triangle ABC, if A is obtuse and sin A is equal to 3 by 5, sin B equal to 5 by 13, then show that sin C equal to 16 by 65. One more question is there. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then prove that first bit cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A, cot B, cot C, and second bit is tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1, and hence show that sigma cos B plus C by cos B into cos C is equal to 2. Right? So this is the end of the exercise 6C, or you can say that it is the end of the chapter of compound angles. Inshallah, in the next class, I will take you the multiples and submultiple and transformation. Okay, thank you.